Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? We're continuing our tour series of the Barcelo Resort here, and we've stopped off at the Barcelo Maya Palace to take a look here at a superior room. And this is a superior room with premium level service, or premium level status. So big difference here is that this is just a normal superior room. However, it's going to be located very conveniently and have a nice ocean view, which we'll take a look at in just a second. Also, if you wanted to take a look at some of the premium level service offerings, we'll link down in the description below so you can see all the premium level services. So we're going to start this tour off as we usually do at the front door here, and I just want to kind of let you know this is a bit more of like a darker, like to some of the tones and the lighting in here is a little bit darker than some of the other rooms on property. However, it does come together really nicely. So in the front of the room here, as you walk in, here's the door that you're going to come in through, and then just to the left of that you're going to see your first closet, because there actually is two closets here, one here and one here, and then in between them we have a small little nook right here with a coffee maker, coffee mugs, the coffee packet here, and some water for the coffee maker. There's also a nice mirror here with this beautiful mosaic tile around for nice decor. Underneath here we have our mini bar area. So this is organized a little bit differently than some of the other rooms we've seen. Over to the right side we have some snacks if you get peckish in between meals. We got some chips and some mixed nuts, an ice bucket and some glasses here. And then inside the mini bar here we have typically what we've seen with the other mini bars in the other rooms. We have some sodas or some soft drinks. We have some water. We have some peanuts here as well. And then we have some beer on the top, it's Corona, some iced tea, and then some mango drink boxes. So kind of awesome, lots of selection for your family. So just to the right of the mini bar area is our first closet. We'll take a peek in to see what's here. So lots of storage. We have some drawers here, and then some shelves to put all your things. Lots of storage up top here. And then some drawers here, like I said. And then if we open up this side, we see two robes. So we have two Barcelo robes with, in the pockets they have some slippers, and then some additional storage just on the ground here and above as well. Lots of hangers for your clothing here. And then if we turn over this way, here's the second closet. And this one has the in-room safe to keep your belongings safe while you're here, and some additional shelving, some drawers. And then on the other side, just some extra space for your things here. There's a little shoe rack as well, and then an ironing board and an iron. So lots of extra storage in this room in comparison to some of the other hotel rooms we've seen. So we're gonna take a quick peek inside the bathroom area here, but we can see just in front of us, we have the double vanity sink with a large mirror here as well. A little mirror here to help you get ready to see things a bit closer. I love the stone here and the material of these sinks, and it matches the Kleenex holder and the hand soap holder too. We have a hair dryer on the wall here, and also an outlet for your things that you may have brought to help get ready. So just beside the sinks to the left is the toilet area, and this actually has its own little door here for extra privacy. They also have a small window inside the toilet area to bring in some natural light, which is always nice. And then to the right side of the vanity area, we have the tub and shower. So they also kind of included these beautiful candles. So you could light these candles when you're having a bath, which is really nice. So there's a tub here for the kids to have a bath in. And then there's also a shower here just to the left of it with a rainfall shower. Included in the hotel is shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. So yeah, it's really nice in here. Again, I will say that the lighting on screen right now is a little brighter than probably it looks to me in real life here, but it does kind of create a nice little mood for like relaxation, especially if you turn all the other lights off in the washroom here and light these candles. The washroom here has two double doors that close for extra privacy, as you can see. And then coming out of the bathroom, if we turn over this way, this is heading into the rest of the room here. And just to the right, as soon as you come into the room, we have a beautiful art piece here. Just below that is a long bench with lots of drawers for storage. They're kind of hidden in here from this pattern, but you can see the handles, but you can see the drawers come out, so they're kind of like cleverly disguised inside this bench here. And like there's lots of storage here for your things while you're on your stay. If we look over this way, we come into the bedroom area. And again, like I said, this is a superior room with premium level. And this option of the superior room has a king bed. We've seen other superior rooms that we've toured with double beds, so it's just sort of a matter of what preference you want for your bed situation in your room. There's some nice art on the wall here, consistent with the art piece we saw earlier. There's a bedside table here. There's a small drawer as well for your things. There's some light switches on the wall here too to control some of the lighting in the room. And then a small TV changer holder here with the channels that are included with your TV. So here's a small little look at the channels that are offered. Some nice wall sconces here, and then a beautiful headboard to make up this king bed. And again, like I pointed out before, in some of the other rooms, there's a nice like soft headboard here to rest your head on if you're sitting up in bed. The mattresses here that we noticed are sort of a medium firm, but they are very comfortable. Just across from the bed, we have a big desk here. Just above that, mounted on the wall, is a flat screen TV. And then underneath that, we have some information about the hotel. There's some room service here. Room service is included with premium level. And then behind that, we have some other booklets that give some information about the spa and the rest of the resort as well, in terms of services, amenities, bars, pools, and restaurants, and when things are kind of open. So helpful information there. There's a nice little mirror here with this kind of mosaic tiling we saw in an earlier mirror. We have a little smart clock here that looks like you can plug in like maybe an iPhone, it looks like, with this connection here, and maybe get some like music out of this speaker here. And then just beyond that, we have some power cables or power outlets for your things here and here, and then some USBs just here and here for charging your devices. There's a nice lamp on the desk as well to kind of finish off the desk. And then I really like these columns here because this is the Maya Palace, so what better way to make it feel more palace-like than big columns and a big archway here in this room. Here's a beautiful ceiling fan. It's pushing the air around in the room very nicely. The air conditioning works perfectly in this room too. It feels very cool in here. And if we finish off the bedroom area with this other bedside table, we've got a drawer here. We've got a phone to reach out to front desk, guest services, the spa. You can reach room service and things like that. And I like that the phone is actually detachable. It doesn't have a cord. You could actually walk around the room with it. There's some other controls on the wall here that that control the lighting and the ceiling fan, and an outlet for your device, or for your devices. And also a control for the aircon in the room. So right now, that's why it's so cool in here. It's set to 61 degrees Fahrenheit, which is very cold, but you can customize that to your liking. So looking over from the bedroom over to the living area, we have two large sofas, or couches, across from each other. In the middle of them is a small glass table. So great for hanging out on, just relaxing. You can get some room service and pull up the table and have a bite to eat. There's some beautiful artwork on the wall here too. So the last thing we're going to do here, we're going to take a trip outside. So heading outside, the premium level rooms are ocean view rooms. So if you wanted to get ocean view, you'd have to get premium level. So premium level have the best views of the actual pool area and ocean. So the ocean's just beyond the trees here, as you can see. However, I am noting that we are pretty close to some of the activity at the pool here. As you can see, there's some the pool bar over there and the music playing. So it could get a little bit noisy here. So just take note of that. But we can see the beautiful pool area. And over here is the lobby here at the Maya Palace. We did a whole resort tour of this entire resort. We'll link that down below in the description if you want to take a look at all the amenities and all the different things here at Maya Palace. So out on the balcony, we've got two little wicker chairs and a wicker table as well. The material on these is really good quality. A little drying rack over here for your towels or bathing suits. And then finally the view. Again, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is raining right now. But yeah, these rainstorms kind of come and go throughout the day in Mexico. So this shouldn't last too much longer. But yeah, this is a beautiful room. It's again premium level, superior room. So it is the lowest of the three different room categories. But we also did tour one of the suites here at the Barcelo Maya Palace, and we'll link that video down below in the description too, so you can take a peek at what one of the larger rooms looks like here at Maya Palace. But with that, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys found this helpful, touring around the room and seeing some of the different offerings, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.